Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is going to be super fast. I just shot another one. It's a little bit longer, or quite a bit longer, a lot more detail. In this box I have a brand new carburetor. This carburetor cost me $19.88. The reason why I'm showing this is because this is an exact fit for my Ariens brand snowblower. I'll pull it out here. The cheapest I could find this online at one of those major part stores that you'll find online was $114 American. And that's important because our exchange rate right now on the Canadian dollar is very bad. So $19.88 Canadian versus $114 American. Then you figure in the costs of shipping it here, and then there could be import taxes as well. A lot of money. And here I got this on Amazon. It arrived in 2 days with Amazon Prime. And there we have it. And I'll just give it a little fast spin here. So this is going to be the short version of this video. And I'll put all of the information to this carburetor and the vendor underneath the description box. I'll also put it on top of the screen so you can see it as well. But there we have it. This here is a perfect fit for my Ariens brand snowblower. And I'll put all of the information about this carburetor in the description box below this video. So that's it for this video. If you want to watch the more detailed one where I actually do the unboxing and go into a little bit more detail, you can check that one out. I'll put a link to that underneath this video as well. That's it. Thanks for watching.